Hey, my name is Vikash. This is early morning and I wanna have a breakfast, so thought of making an omelette. And I like my omelette being very healthy, so I found few things in my fridge: carrots, cabbage, potatoes, mushrooms, spinach, and green chilies. I like spicy. So to make an omelette, this is a very healthy omelette. It may take time. It's not a very quick thing, but if you have time, it's a weekend. So what I do is this carrots, cabbage, potatoes, they have lot of moisture. So before I put it into my egg and make an omelette, I want to get rid of the moisture. So I'm just putting it into a pan without any oil or anything, just to dry fry it so that the moisture is gone and it's soft enough, and when you eat an omelette you don't feel like you're eating a vegetable. Yeah. So I put cabbage, carrots, potatoes, and I will put mushroom, but I'll put mushroom just for a few seconds at the end because mushroom cooks very quickly, so I don't want it to just cook weird. I want it to cook like 50% and then 50% in omelette. Okay. Yep. So my vegetables are cooking dry. So I've added mushrooms as well, and you can just see that it shrunk. So that means the moisture is almost gone, and it is like almost 50-60% cooked. So I'm gonna get this in my plate so that I prepare my egg, and then I will mix this up and then will show you how to do. So, again. Okay, so I'm adding 2 eggs, or I might add a bit of egg white as well. So let's see. I don't plan, I just like to do things when I'm cooking. I just do, okay, I can add this, I can add that. So that's fun, right? You don't have to go with a cooking menu. So, and then a bit of egg white. So it's kind of 3 egg or something, 3-4, depends on you how healthy you want your omelette to be. Yeah. Just whisk it for like 2 minutes or 1 minute. Depends on you. Then, so I like my omelettes to be very spicy as well. So I added black pepper, garlic, a bit. See, you can add many things. Or you can add just a salt or just a black pepper. It's all depends on you. So red crushed peppers, anything. Just be creative. Do something. Onion powder. I like onions, but my friend doesn't like raw onions. So yeah, whatever, special friend. So I like adding onion powder instead of real onions. And mix it up, and a bit of salt. Don't add too much of salt because you can add that later on anytime. So you can add tomatoes here as well in the vegetables, but I don't like much of tomatoes. So it's all about your creativity, what you want to do, what's your taste like. So my eggs are ready. I'm gonna all the vegetables, green chilies, spinach, everything. And whisk it for like more another 1 minute or 30 seconds. Anything is good. It just has to be mixed properly. So see how it looks. It's very healthy. It's gonna be really good. Okay. Okay, so I'm ready to make an omelette. So just add like 1 or 2 small spoons of oil depending on the size of your pan. The thing is, your pan should be fully coated with oil so that it doesn't stick and your omelette comes really good without breaking in between or something. So let it heat up. So now the oil is hot or hot. So let me add the omelette ingredients. Okay, just spread it so that your vegetables are equally distributed in all parts of your omelette. And keep the flame in medium. So you have to cook until you see the liquid part on top is almost soaked. It's not, and then you can flip it. It would be easy at that time to flip. So I'm gonna cover it so that it cooks both upside and the down as well. See. Okay, so now we'll check. See, it's all dry. There's no liquid on top. Means there is, but not exactly in a bad way. So, and it's easily moving. So you can. This is the time where you can flip it. So, see. This is a nice and very good omelette. And just cook it here for like hardly 30 seconds or so, and then you have your omelette. Okay, I guess my omelette is ready. I just kept it for 30 seconds and then I switched off the flame, but still I kept it more for 1 or 2 minutes. So see, that's the omelette. See, so big, nice, unbroken omelette. Enjoy.